Good morning, everyone. Well, rain chances are high across Wisconsin again today, but for some, it's going to take quite a while for those good rain chances to begin. So let's track it for you hour by hour, starting at 8 a.m. this morning. I do want to mention the chance for a few sprinkles from Janesville, Madison, Portage, on over to the west, La Crosse, Chippewa Falls. Not a guarantee you're going to see rain. If you do, it's going to be very light, very low impact stuff. Nothing's going to slow you down this morning. If you're around Racine, Kenosha, Milwaukee, looks like it's going to be a completely dry morning commute. All right, so let's jump ahead in time. How about 11 a.m.? Still not a whole lot going on. We'll call for some legitimate showers around Chippewa Falls, La Crosse, but you can see that the bulk of the activity is still to the west. And really, again, the little green dots you're seeing around Madison, maybe Kenosha at this point, still sprinkles, if that. Mainly probably just going to be cloudy skies. But as we get into the afternoon, look how the activity really starts to pick up. In fact, it's during the early to mid-afternoon hours that this is going to be the peak of the activity if you're in Chippewa Falls, Winona, La Crosse. But look what happens for the Madison area, Portage, Baraboo, Beaver Dam. It looks like the peak of the activity, 5 o'clock this afternoon, right when a lot of folks are getting on the road, trying to get home. Now, it's mostly going to be showers, but could there be some thunderstorms around? A little bit of lightning, thunder, and some heavy rain? Yes, that's a possibility. Now, the latest model is saying the better chance north of Portage for the storms. We're not talking about severe storms either, I do want to be clear. But I'll leave in the chance just about for anyone in Wisconsin about 5 o'clock this afternoon for some storms to be around, though, again, more than likely showers, but rain likely, and so plan on it being a slower go for the homebound commute today. Again, the peak of the activity for the Racine-Kenosha area probably is going to be around that 6, 7 o'clock time period. I do think by 8 o'clock we're past the peak of the activity everywhere, and the chance for storms is over, but still an area of showers across much of the state, though trying to dry out around La Crosse, Chippewa Falls, probably just isolated activity at this point. And from 8 o'clock on, we're going to be seeing less and less rain. And so we jump ahead to tomorrow morning, and a different story from this morning. There's going to be a lot more sunshine around. There might be some areas, especially towards the east, where it's still partly cloudy, but by the early afternoon, I think we're looking at sunny skies across the state. So we've dried out, we've got some good sunshine. Can we warm up? Well, it's not going to be today. Temperature's really looking about the same as yesterday. Mid to upper 40s in the northern part of the state. Some may top out around 50 degrees in southern Wisconsin, but I bet there can be a lot of upper 40s in southern Wisconsin as well. Windy for everyone, gusts mainly around 30 miles per hour. And as usual, it takes time for those winds to wind down, so it's still going to be breezy during the evening hours. I do think late tonight, when we hit our low temperatures, there's not going to be much wind. And notice how it's going to be warmer to the south and east because there's going to be more cloud cover to the south and east because the clouds really break up around the Chippewa Falls area and even around La Crosse. That's where we're going to see those temperatures drop into the mid to upper 30s. But notice low to mid 40s across much of southern Wisconsin. Now for tomorrow, with all that sun, gotta warm up, right? And indeed we will. Looks like upper 50s for a lot of the northern part of the state, but I do think we're talking about mid to upper 60s in southern Wisconsin. The only negative here is, once again, looking like a windy day with those gusts, once again, around 30 miles per hour.